Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. Welcome to another class where we'll be calculating for the sides of a right angle triangle and using the Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, so we have a problem on the board. It says find S in surd form. Okay, so remember, for you to get, you first want to identify this triangle. We know that the triangle is a right angle triangle. So we're going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Remember, I've told you that the Pythagoras theorem is associated with the sides of a right angle triangle. So the first thing we do, we identify the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Now the hypotenuse, I've always said, is the side that is opposite the right angle. Now this is a right angle and this is the side opposite the right angle. So from Pythagoras theorem, we'll say from Pythagoras theorem, we say that the square on the hypotenuse, which is the square, is equal to the square, sum of the square on the legs. So we have 2 squares plus root 10 squared. Fine. So at this point, we continue. So s squared is equals to 4 plus 10. So the square of root 10 is 10. Okay. Then we sum up these and then we have s squared is equals to 14. And then we take the square root of both sides and then we have x is equals to root 10. And I told you, because we are dealing with length, sorry, here is 14. I don't know why I wrote 10. So here gives us 14 as well. So remember, we are dealing with length, so we only use the positive square root. So s is always greater than 0. Okay? So we're asked to leave our result in surd form. So this is the solution, root 14. We can't simplify root 14 further. So this is the surd form number. And then we're going to put our length in cm. Alright? So this is the solution to this problem. In our next class, we'll look at another problem similar to this. Okay? Please ensure you like, you follow, and you share this video. See you in our next class. Bye.